If you work with electricity, then listen up. This is the Volt Safety Class 0 1000 volt insulated glove kit. Available in size 9, 10 and 11. This kit contains many useful items to protect anyone working within the electrical industry. It contains a pair of Class 0 1000 volt insulated gloves manufactured with premium latex rubber for durability and flexibility. It contains outer gloves made from goat skin to protect from abrasions, cuts, tears and perforations. Also, multiple pairs of inner gloves made from cotton and that have been designed for a superior fit, comfort and sweat absorption. It also contains a bottle of white talcum powder to aid in easy donning of insulated gloves and prevent excessive perspiration. And finally, a 3-compartment canvas glove bag which holds and protects your kit's contents. To don the kit, simply start by placing on the cotton inner gloves. If required, shake some talcum powder into the rubber gloves if the glove fit is too snug. Then place the rubber insulated gloves on top of the cotton inner gloves. And finally, place the leather outer gloves over the rubber insulated gloves. You have now donned this 1000 volt insulated glove kit. Don't compromise on your safety. Grab yourself a kit today at Sparky Direct.